Have you ever felt a quiet pull toward the mysteries that lie just beneath the surface of our world? A sense that there is more to this life than what our eyes can readily see. For centuries, seekers have walked a path known as alchemy. It is an ancient and shadowed art, a winding road that sought a profound kind of change. Many believe it was only about turning common, worthless lead into precious, shining gold. But that is only one part of a much deeper and more significant story, a story about the transformation of the self, the spirit, and the soul. The true language of alchemy is not spoken in ordinary words. Instead, it is written in a silent, secret script of symbols. These small, elegant pictures are not mere decorations on a dusty page. They are keys. Each one is a key designed to unlock a hidden chamber of understanding, a specific idea about the nature of reality and the process of change. They were a way for alchemists to communicate their most sacred discoveries without revealing them to the uninitiated. These symbols formed a bridge between the physical world of metals and fires and the inner world of human potential. To gaze upon these symbols is to look back through time, to feel the quiet dedication of those who drew them by candlelight. They worked in solitude, patiently observing the slow dance of matter as it was heated, dissolved, and reformed. They saw in their flasks a mirror of the universe and a path toward the great work. In the world of the alchemist, nothing stood alone. Everything was connected in a vast, intricate web of correspondence. They looked up at the wandering stars, the seven celestial bodies of the night, and saw a profound link to the metals found deep within the earth. Each planet held dominion over a particular metal, sharing its nature and spirit. The sun with gold, radiant, incorruptible, pure. The moon with silver, bright, receptive, cleansing. Sun and moon, king and queen, the union essential for transformation. Mercury with quicksilver, fluidity of mind and vital spirit. Venus with copper, beauty, harmony, generative force. Mars with iron, will, strength, the power to break old forms. Jupiter with tin, order, expansion, benevolent rule. Saturn with lead, base matter, the sober beginning of change. At the foundation stood four elemental pillars: earth, water, air, and fire. Earth is solidity, stability, structure, the raw material awaiting transformation. Water dissolves and purifies, emotions and letting go. Air is intellect and sublimation, elevating thought to clarity. Fire is energy and ordeal, no true change without the flame. Trials burn away impurities, revealing what is essential and true. Beyond planets and elements, a sacred geometry of simple forms spoke volumes. Triangle up, fire, ascent, active principle. Triangle down, water, descent, receptive intuition. Interlaced, union of opposites, fire and water, spirit and matter. The circle, wholeness, eternity, the soul, perfection. The square, earth, order, the grounded realm of the material. The Ouroboros, serpent devouring its tail, eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth. The end of one process is always the beginning of another. The phoenix burns, then rises, fire as a promise of renewal. The old self must pass through the fire before a perfected form is born. The philosopher's stone, legend of transmutation, cure, and life without end. Deeper still, it is enlightenment, integrated consciousness, inner wholeness. Negredo, the blackening, darkness, dissolution, the shadow confronted. Albedo, the whitening, purification, clarity, the first light after night. Citrinitas, the yellowing. Wisdom grows, insight becomes practice. Rubedo, the reddening, final perfection, spirit and matter united. In an age of data, this language still speaks, because it names our longing to transform. These signs mirror nature, planets, metals, elements, and the human heart. They offer a map, nigredo to albedo to rubedo, darkness to clarity to wholeness. Do not dismiss them. Let their quiet mystery work on you. The most valuable gold is not in the earth, but within us. We are invited to the great work, again and again, a way that honors both darkness and light, material and spiritual, until we become whole. The great work is never truly finished. Thanks for watching Wisdom of Ages TV. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of our videos.